Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else.
Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit Equities. Now, Porinju Veliyath's EQ India fund has silently bought 20 lakh shares of a small cap media company over the last year, and here his stake does not appear on the shareholding pattern on the exchanges. Now, this is not our own research. This was discovered by Meet, and we will be providing the link to his Twitter handle in the description section for you to go ahead and follow and receive more such insights. Please watch this video to know more. Now, the company in question is Zee Media Corporation Limited, which is available at Rs 23.70, and the face value for it is 1. The symbol for it is ZEEMEDIA. Now, Zee Media Corporation Limited is engaged in broadcasting services and in the business of production and broadcasting of television software. Now, as is evident from the 1-year chart, the company has been a dog of a stock and a lot of wealth erosion has happened here. The company is a small cap with a market capitalization of 1115.77 crores. The EPS of 1.07 translates into a reasonable price to earnings ratio of 22.15, which is slightly cheaper when compared with the industry PE of 26.59. The price to book ratio of 1.65 is also not wildly expensive. The company has a debt to equity of 0.4183, whereas the return on equity for this stock is 0.1478. Now, interesting factor about this company is it does not pay out any dividends, whereas the promoter holding is a strong factor for this company and stands at 67.02%. Also, friends, this information has come out in the annual report, so some time has elapsed and the information of Porinju's presence in this particular counter may have already been discounted. Please don't treat this as a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.